Siya. Matutulog pa sana ako pero nagulantang po ako, and this bangungot thing nightmare has been happening for me since I was small. Siguro sa dami ng mga personal experiences ko and personal history sa family ko, na actually dalawang pamangkin kong binata ang binangungot. And the usual causes written in the cause of death is cardiac arrest. But in my heart, I know bangungot. Bangungot or nightmare. Bangungot in Tagalog, nightmare in English. Ano ba itong bangungot na ito? Sinare ko sa inyo itong topic na ito because I have personally experienced bangungot in my area while I was still working and I'm studying at the university, and I was living in a boarding house. So 4 bangungots have happened in that place and 4 people died. 4 professional people. So tag-iisa kami ng room sa area na yon, that was in Makati. And the first bangungot that happened is with my gay friend, na nakakita raw siya ng white lady. So I believe in that kasi mismo ako nakakita palagi nun. And the second time is after mabangungot siya, another boardmate died through bangungot. Nakita rin daw yung white lady. And the third person is a woman na nagpakita rin daw ang white lady. Bangungot din. So lahat kami nagka-nervous na, marami kami sa isang apartment na yun eh. Sa bawat door, meron siyang mga 7 na boardmates. And ako kasi I was studying then, working during hours at the City Hall, morning, daytime, and at nighttime, I'm studying at the MLQU then. So when I got home, it was 10:30 in the evening. I was hearing stories about that white woman, and so they're waiting at the door. So this experience is true. This is true to life experience. And then, upon entering my door, I saw a woman na standing in front of my door, looking at me. So instead of being frightened or fear her, I just go straight to my room and ignore her. That's one of the things that you must do when you saw ghost or white lady. And it's true. But when I entered my room and say I'm so tired because I'm working and studying at night, I woke up at midnight and saw this white lady beside me. She's wearing a white dress and looking at me. Instead of being frightened, I asked her, "What do you want?" She didn't answer. "What do you want?" I asked her again, and hindi siya sumagot. So I tried to put my hands and do it like that, and I closed my eyes, and when I woke up, she's gone. That was the first night that I saw the white lady over there. I think she wants me to be one of her victims. Almost 4 people died. I think it is a true story. And then I'm living with my husband then. We're just sweethearts then. I'm living with him and he's visiting me in my boarding house. One night, I saw in my dream that the boarding house is on fire. So, I was so afraid and I told my boyfriend that we must transfer immediately. It should not be longer than 2 weeks because there might be a fire or my dreams would happen. So we transferred to another house, and then 1 week after we transferred, that whole apartment is on fire. I think some people was hurt or some people died, and that apartment was gone. So I'm telling you this because I want to tackle this story a long time ago. I'm Daisy Gold Garcia and I am about to tell you about Bangungot. Ano ba itong bangungot na to? Bangungot in Filipino, nightmare in English. Ang sabi nila, according to my research, I'm not a doctor, but according to my research, bangungot is about acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis or AP. And about 8 in every 100 people have experienced this bangungot. It is about sleep paralysis. And what happens during nightmare or bangungot? There is shortness of breath. In my own experience, ngayong gabi lang, binangungot ako. I don't know why. It's about animals biting me and I couldn't move my body. I couldn't say anything. There's no words coming out of my mouth. That's why I tackled this bangungot thing for you to know. Kasi it remains ang tackle thing. I mean, hindi siya pinapansin ng tao. They don't believe in bangungot. But it's true. It's true because I have experienced it many times. I have bangungot tonight. That's why I want to share with you the experiences of a person experiencing nightmare or bangungot. So when you're in a nightmare, you experience shortness of breath, hindi ka makahinga, there is no voice coming out of your mouth, and there is a temporary paralysis on your muscles. That's why you cannot speak or move. Just like what they say, gusto ko magsalita pero walang lumabas na boses sa bibig ko. It will really make you, will really kill you for seconds. There is a shortness of breath, temporary paralysis of the muscles, you cannot speak, and there is a certain pressure on your chest. Na you're feeling na napakabigat ng yung chest because something is heavy above your chest. That's why you cannot breathe. Like your chest is being crushed with great pressure, and like you're hallucinating and you're spinning and like you're falling apart. But then they said I think it's in Bicol or in provinces, it's a supernatural belief that it is caused by a creature called Batibot. What is a Batibot? It is a super heavy woman a grotesque, obese woman pre-dwelling on a female. It's a female spirit dwelling on big trees, they say in provinces. They live in very, very old big trees, and they stayed there for a long time. But when you try to touch their dwelling or make their trees like a wall, or what do you call that, poste sa bahay nyo, they will get mad. And they will kill you through nightmares by sitting on your chest. They're so heavy. They're so heavy that they will sit on your chest. That is becoming for you hard to breathe. That they will suffocate you. That's why they call this balibat. It is a grotesque, obese, free-dwelling female spirit. So, gaganti siya sa iyo pag ginalaw mo yung kanyang dwelling. Papasok siya sa iyong panaginip at sasakalin ka niya, uupuan ka sa chest para hindi ka makahinga. So, yun yung kasabihan nila. But then, it's true na it's so sad. Two of my nephews died because of cardiac arrest. So they call it cardiac arrest, but I know it is bangungot. And I believe it happened because he was so tired, he didn't have time to rest, or he is thinking of many things. But then they say nightmare or bangungot is caused if you sleep. After eating, you sleep immediately. Yun. And then you drank a lot of alcohol or beer. So they say that this nightmare or bangungot happened to mostly young men, age 30 to 33. Ganun yung edad ng mga pamangkin ko. It was so sad. The death is so tragic. And until now, they couldn't explain why it happened. What's the cause? Pero it's bangungot. I know it's bangungot. And this bangungot or nightmare is life-threatening, so they say. Every person once in a while experiences this bangungot. They say that it's not harmful to some because it happens only in seconds, but then to some people it happens like it will kill you instantly because you have a body paralysis, you cannot breathe, you have shortness of breath, and it will be life-threatening if you have a sickness, fatal disease. So mas risky dito yung mga may sakit na sila sa heart. And so they say that this bangungot happens in the middle of the night, but then in me it happens also during daytime while I'm awake. Bangungot doesn't only happen while you're sleeping, it also happens while you're awake. It happened to me in daytime. I couldn't move, I couldn't sleep, and I was awake. That happened to me many times. And so they say that acute pancreatitis is the widely accepted theory of this bangungot. Ano ba usually ang nagiging cause ng bangungot? Inadequate sleep. Yung kulang ka sa tulog. And irregular sleep. At when you're sleeping on your back. Minong natulog ako nung patihiya, binangungot ako. Pero nung tumagilid ako, nawala siya. And then, ano pa yung causes ng bangungot? You must identify the underlying causes ng bangungot. Like yung mga daytime sleepers, hirap silang matulog, right? Usually, mga taga-call centers, hirap silang matulog. Then, loss of muscle control. And family history. May mga binabangungot ba sa family nyo? And sleeping on your back. Yun. Ang bangungot or nightmares can be a warning sign of underlying mental health disorder, medical condition, or a need for reflection and change. So, kasama na yan according to the medical and life sciences. How would you know kung namatay ang tao sa bangungot or while sleeping? Death in sleep. Pagka glassy and teary-eyed yung mata niya and half open, and then malamig ang mga kamay, cold hands, weak pulse, mababa ang pulso, hallucinations, and is fast asleep and gasping for breath. Hirap siyang huminga. Pero nung sa pamangkin ko, parang sumusuka siya. Nagbabamit din. Iba yung kulay nila, parang maitim daw. Yun ang narinig ko. Iba yung kulay nung binabangungot, maitim siya. Kasi hirap siya huminga eh. Yun po yun. So, kung alam po natin ang gagawin, kung tayo'y binabangungot, maiwasan po natin ang much more dangerous thing, like yung ikamamatay mo ito. Agapan po natin ito.